In today's video, let us see how to make a traditional coastal okra curry kai rasa. I am making this to preserve an old traditional recipe. This goes very well with rice and ghee, also with dosa or chapati. Hello friends, welcome to Tiffin Room. If you like today's recipe, please like, share and subscribe. Now let's begin the recipe. I have grown some okra in my backyard. This particular variety of okra has a lighter shade of green and slightly bigger. You can also make this curry using any other variety. First, let us make some tamarind extract. Take a ping pong ball sized tamarind and add it into a cup of water. Squeeze it well and keep it for 15 to 20 minutes. Let us make the masala for the curry. Take 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons black gram or urad dal. 2 tablespoons coriander seeds. Saute it for a minute. Add 8 to 10 red chilies. Let me add 2 Badgi red chilies for the color. If you're just using Badgi chilies, add around 12 to 15. Saute it well till the urad dal becomes golden and you will get a nice aroma. The chilies will become fluffy. Take it off the flame, keep mixing for 2 minutes. Take 4 to 5 tablespoons grated coconut in a bowl. Transfer the fried masala. Add very little water and grind this into a fine paste. Take a pot, add the tamarind extract. Add half a cup of water. Add half teaspoon red chili powder, 2 to 3 tablespoon powdered jaggery. You can also add this size jaggery. Add salt to taste. Cover the lid and let it boil. Once it boils, take around 8 to 10 chopped okra and add it. Cover and let it cook for a minute. Now mix it gently. Here is a very important tip while cooking okra. Be very gentle when you stir it. You don't want the okra pieces to break. Just stir it carefully 3 to 4 times is good. The okra will cook but remains crunchy. When it's almost cooked, add a little bit of regular water and cover it. This will help the okras to cook faster. Now it's cooked. Add the ground masala paste. Mix it slowly. Add half to 1 cup of water. Cover and give it one boil. Don't add too much water to this curry. This is the right consistency. Kai rasa is ready. Let us top it off with a simple seasoning. Add 1 tablespoon oil in a pan, half teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 red chili and a strand of curry leaves. When it splatters, add it to the curry. Tasty, authentic, coastal special kai rasa is ready. A perfect combination with some red rice and ghee. Make it and let me know how you like it. I hope you guys like this South Indian okra delicacy. For more such recipe, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.